The Solutions team is truly a family. We believe in being honest and working with our customers to solve their pest problems. We began our business in 1958 as a service company, and shortly afterwards we opened up our first retail location in Pasadena, Texas, with really one goal in mind, and that was to educate and help our customers feel confident in treating any pest problem. Solutions is a pest control manufacturer, supplier, and retailer with locations throughout the country. For over 60 years, our team of certified entomologists, horticulturists, and pest management professionals have been educating customers on application and products and prevention. We take pride in making sure that our customers are truly successful, that they feel safe and confident when applying products. That's truly what sets us apart from our competitors. It's all about relationships, from our customers trusting us, to working with our vendors, to the relationships that we have with our employees. It's one of the values we stand by, that if you treat people well, you'll earn their trust. And the support is never ending. We help you every step of the way, from identification to inspection to choosing the right products and even treatment techniques and non-chemical prevention strategies. We want people to walk away from Solutions saying, not only are these the best products I can purchase, but these are the best people I can purchase from. And to hear the success stories from our customers and how it's impacted their lives, that is just extremely gratifying. You know, at the end of the day, we want to be the best and to help our customers be successful. And you can't do that if you don't care.